And this is the building. We're showing already in a bit. This is where Marcus Garvey got sold out. And I've shown you guys this building before. Now bulldozer pushed. You see right here, this is where the bridge used to be, you know. The Fontaine Bridge used to be somewhere around here. Like it used to run out of the road. But them cut off the bridge. Now, back then them said the people they kill goat. And kill whole heap of goat and sacrifice so that the bridge, the water run out. Yeah guys, so we are now in the community of Trinityville.
To love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my
Eh? Yeah, me see something wrong, my one long too. My one long too. I come up behind you.
Yeah, fast. Oh, I see.
My something wrong and tough. Go on where you go. Go on.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic, all natural.
Yeah, look for my headlight. I'm going to suffer the from headlight.
Alright. Watch out. Turn around. Up that weather. Yeah, man, I'm going to step for the funny headlamp, you know? Like that sign, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Don't know, Rich Falls, you know? Alright. Continue on the journey.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Yeah guys, so I really wanted to show you guys this part of the road. You see this rock, whenever time you drive on this road, you have to be really careful. You have to just head where you go, because you see up there the rocks fall off the side of the hill and it will come in your car. Like you've got this girl, this young lady. You've got this young lady that she actually, sorry about that guys, may I hide them out here. You've got this young lady, she actually got injured where a stone fell off the rock and hit her in the face. Yeah guys, so I just wanted to show you all this, and yeah, we're up our way up to Trinityville. Will you follow me? So, hold on, let them noise pass first. Yeah guys, so as I told you, I'm showing you guys the improvement of the St Thomas ROADWORKS. You see right here, this is where the bridge used to be, you know. The Fonthill Bridge used to be somewhere around here. Like it used to run out of the road. But them cut off the bridge. Now, back then them said the people they kill goat and kill whole heap of goat and sacrifice so that the water ran out of the bridge. And it was a small thing and the water ran under it and we had no problems. Now, Chucky, turn around them and see. Yo, if you look around here, then you'll see the new bridge that they are making right now. I think this bridge is completed. But as the rain fall, it get washed out again. Because no matter how big them build it, it just keep the water. And the smaller bridge had kept the water all along. So this is the Fonthill Bridge, dog. So this is the Fonthill Bridge, guys, that we're at. And yeah man, that other bridge up there, some eye them are burning me have on the shades. So yeah man, we are showing the road go up to Trinityville. Yeah. And then the coming through. Alright. Now follow me.
Down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, just we're blowing up. Cardboard's like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly.
Yeah guys, so we are now in the community of Trinityville. Yeah guys, so we are now in the community of Trinityville, and this building behind me that the bulldozer is pushing away, this building is where Marcus Garvey, Sir George William Gordon and Nanny had met up. Sir George William Gordon, Marcus Garvey, Paul Bogle and Nanny had met up. This is where Marcus Garvey gets set out for the rice and something. This is where Marcus Garvey got set out. This is where the meeting was kept. Now show me this. Follow me. No man, this, yo, shine the camera over here, so this man knows that Marcus Garvey gets set out. St Thomas. This is where Marcus Garvey, Paul Bogle, George William Gordon and Nanny link up. And this is the building. I'm showing already in a bit. This is where Marcus Garvey got sold out. And I've shown you guys this building before. No, bulldozer pushed them. I don't know the reason why them sell it. Guys, the library was down the road. The library coming to themselves.
Why the kids them learn more better and more nearer to them home.
True.
We are going, we can send them for the front.
True. Yo.
So we are getting some help from the government.
Yeah guys, and this behind me right here, this is the station over there, the police station over there. So as you know, we're on our way to the Trinityville crossroad, the Somerset crossroad. We're going to show you that guys and we'll get back here, alright? So follow me.
All to my domain. So let me break it all.